Today I'm going to be microwaving not one, not two, but 3 saw blades. This should give us a pretty interesting reaction. Let's put 10 minutes here. Let's see what happens. These things are sparking like crazy. I'm gonna open this and see what they look like. My gosh. And they're perfectly fine. The microwave's burnt a little, but they just spark like crazy. That is weird. I took the saw blades out there. They're perfectly fine. Nothing really happened to them, but the microwave, I got a lot of burns on the sides. But besides that, saw blades are completely fine. I don't know why they sparked so much. That was cool. So if you guys liked the video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.